What do you see on this piece of paper? Maybe you can read some letters or some words from this text, but I don't think most people can read or understand this whole message. So if you struggle to recognize any sentence or any words from this picture, I highly recommend to use AI to extract all the text from a photo. And also, I'll show you some good practices that you can do to get the most accurate answer. So if you want to extract text from a photo, then here's how you can do that using ChatGPT. Okay, first let's go to chatgpt.com and then log in to your account. For this demonstration, I'm going to be using the exact same photo that I just shown you earlier. I'm going to just right click, copy, and I'm going to paste that into ChatGPT. Now the image is being uploaded. Now for the prompt, I'm going to be using this one. You can pause this video and then you can manually type the prompt, but you can also just check the video description to get the full prompt. Now let's paste that and send a message to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT will analyze the picture and hopefully it will be able to recognize all the letters, all the words, and eventually will extract the content from this photo. So this is the result, and honestly, I think it sounds reasonable, although I have no idea if this is actually 100% accurate because I'm not the owner of this message. However, if you want to get the best result, I highly recommend to use multiple AI tools. So you can use Gemini AI to do the same, and later you can compare the result between Gemini and ChatGPT, and you can also look at yourself and see which one is giving you the most accurate answer. So let's go to gemini.google.com, and then I'll do the same again. I'll just right click, copy, and then I'm going to paste that into Gemini, and I'm going to be using the exact same AI prompt once again. And let's see if we are getting a different or maybe the same answer. Okay, so it is definitely different. As you can see, be clear mon difat abound, that's definitely not English word, but if you look at the generation from ChatGPT, it is much more coherent, it is much more readable. So I would say the one from ChatGPT is a lot better, and this is actually quite common. So some AIs might be better than others. You can also use a Cloud 3.7 Sonnet because it is also a multimodal AI model which can understand text from a picture. So that's how you can get a picture, actually get the text from the picture. Now, if you find this video to be useful, or if you want to see more AI tutorials in the future, then subscribe to this channel. In any case, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.